Bitcoin, the trailblazer of the cryptocurrency world, has captured the imagination of investors and tech enthusiasts alike. As we approach its 15th anniversary, the burning question on everyone's mind is, where is Bitcoin heading next? Let's dive into the heart of the matter. The current state of Bitcoin is a roller coaster of highs and lows, with its value soaring to unprecedented levels, only to face sharp corrections. But what factors are shaping its future trajectory? Regulatory scrutiny, technological advancements, and market sentiment all play a pivotal role in determining Bitcoin's path forward. The challenges ahead are as daunting as they are exciting. Regulatory bodies worldwide are grappling with how to classify and regulate cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Will they embrace it, stifle it, or find a middle ground? The answer could make or break Bitcoin's future. On the technological front, innovations such as the Lightning Network aim to address Bitcoin's scalability issues, paving the way for faster and cheaper transactions. But will these solutions be enough to keep Bitcoin competitive in a rapidly evolving landscape of digital currencies? Looking ahead, we can envision several potential scenarios for Bitcoin's future. Will it continue to dominate the market as the go-to digital gold? Or will newer, more advanced cryptocurrencies steal its thunder? The possibilities are as vast as they are uncertain. In conclusion, the future of Bitcoin is a complex tapestry woven with threads of regulation, technology, and market dynamics. While the road ahead may be fraught with challenges, one thing is certain: Bitcoin's journey is far from over. Stay tuned as we witness the evolution of this digital pioneer in the years to come.